Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get 7 high-ticket affiliate products that you can market and make $400 per sale or more. But make sure you stick around until the end because I'm sure some of these you might not have heard about before. And I'm also going to give you some ideas of how you can market these, as well as why I think most people fail with affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and jump over to my computer and get started right now. Okay, the first program is called Plus 500, and this is a website that you'll go to. Let's go ahead and take a look here. It's in the trading niche, and you can get paid a lot of money with this program. You can see there's different CPA rates, and depending on which country someone joins. And if we look down here, the way that you get qualified to get paid is you refer this program to someone and they make their first deposit and they start trading with real funds and past the spreads limit. So those are the qualifications. You can also refer other affiliates and make 10% of their monthly commissions. So as you can see, this is a very high paying affiliate program. You can get paid up to $800. The next program is Capitalism Exploit. We're going to go ahead and go to this website, capitalistpartners.com. And what this affiliate program is about is they have 2 flagship products that have to do with investing, and you can earn commissions between $788 all the way up to $1,750 per sale. So you earn 50% of the revenue of each sale that you refer, and their products range from $15.75 to $34.99. And it says that their top affiliates have earned tens of thousands of dollars in some months, and they pay at the end of each month. The products that they have, there's 2 products, Insider, which is a general investing audience, and then the Resource Insider that suits investors looking for investing in commodities. Before we get into number 3, if you're enjoying this content, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon that way you can be notified when I upload new videos. Number 3 is the YTA method, and you can earn $497 per sale. And I have the URL right here, ytapartner.com/JV-1. And if you take a look here, what this product is it's teaching you how to create faceless YouTube channels and automate YouTube and make money. And I do have this product. I would recommend it. It is a very good product, but it is also a very high converting product because I've made a lot of money with this program. And essentially you're sending people to the YTA Masterclass. It's a very good webinar and it does convert very well. I have a YouTube video out there that goes over this entire YTA method, and that's where I've made all of my sales actually with this affiliate program. So it's very, very high converting, and again, I've made a lot of money with this, so definitely check out the YTA method. Number 4 is the 100K blueprint, and you can get paid over $500 with this product. And it's a ClickBank product, so you'll just go to ClickBank Marketplace and search 100K blueprint. And this is a unique product because it's teaching you e-commerce, and so you'll send people to a webinar. And the product set is completely different to any other e-commerce product. So that's interesting because it seems like there's pretty much everything out there that has to do with e-commerce, but it's something that's never been taught before. So the customers will love it, they said, and you'll earn great commissions. And they just launched this not too long ago. And the gravity score is 16, so that's not bad. It's something that maybe not a lot of people have heard about. So definitely check out 100K Blueprint. Before we get into number 5, if you'd like to learn my number 1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. Second link will be how to start a profitable YouTube channel. Okay, number 5 is the Fast Track. So this is also a ClickBank product, and you can get paid over $400 per sale with this one. So just go ahead and search 1K a day, and you'll see that the Fast Tracks comes up here. And it's an interesting product because it says that they're teaching how to build an email list with poll pages. And they said it's like nothing else that anyone's taught before. And students are walked through step by step on creating their own polls using their templates and setting up their own email system. And they generate traffic using second tier sources, which are a lot less expensive than Google, Facebook, and YouTube. So it's a unique way to market, and you're sending people to a webinar that is high converting, and again, you'll get paid over $400 per sale. Number 6 is 30 days email journey hack, and that is inside of Traffic Domination Network. This is completely free to sign up for, as well as the other ones. But I will leave a link in the description below this video that you can sign up for this network. And if we scroll down here, you'll see all the different offers in here. But this one that I'm speaking about is way down here, sort of towards the bottom. 30-day email journey hack. And this is with Wayne Crow. And you might know Wayne Crow from his solo ads. But again, you're sending people to a webinar. And when they convert over to a sale, you will get $550. You can also look around in here. There's other offers in here that maybe you won't pay as well, but maybe some that you can also promote. And the last one is called Liquid Web. And I did include the URL here to sign up to be an affiliate. I will post the links to all these affiliate programs in the description below this video. But let's go ahead and take a look here. This one, you can earn up to $7,000 per referral. You can see what their products are. They have managed WordPress. You can earn up to $2,000 with that. Managed WooCommerce, up to $3,000 with that. VPS hosting, dedicated hosting is where you can earn up to $7,000 per referral. Cloud hosting up to $5,000. And then I wanted to talk to you about exactly how would you market these high-ticket affiliate products. Well, first of all, I would recommend that you combine free and paid, because if you come in and you don't have a lot of experience with paid, you're going to go through a lot of money and pretty much not make any money until you know what you're doing. But if you do free and paid, that's the best. I would recommend YouTube. That's where I make the most money with my free marketing. And I wanted to point out this video that I did here, $250 a day for free, because I talk about my YouTube method in there. I will post that in the description below this video. That's where I made the most money online, actually, is with free marketing. And then Facebook marketing, I think, is another really great way to market. And this Easy Profile Profits is different than any other Facebook training that I have bought. And I do own this product, and I also am an affiliate. So if you decide to purchase this, it's $97, but I highly recommend it. I will earn a commission, but I'll leave a link in the description below this video to it. But it's taught by Fraser McDonald and Peter Berry, and their main strategy with high ticket sales is through Facebook, and they teach you how to brand yourself, what to actually post on your Facebook profile, the psychology behind it. And they just added how to close high ticket sales. So in here you can see they get into the exact conversation that they've had with people all the way up to purchasing the product. And you can see that they're not high pressure sales. It's just a back and forth conversation, but I think it's helpful to see what other people have done and how it actually does work, because Fraser, he makes 7 figures on Facebook, and that's his main strategy, is free Facebook marketing. And he said, basically, if you concentrate on this for 6 months and you do it daily, it'll set you free. So this is a really great training. I wanted to point that out to you. And also, I would say, as far as paid, I don't have any training on TikTok, but I would recommend paid TikTok ads. I have a friend who's absolutely killing it with this. They're making high ticket sales with TikTok ads. And also YouTube ads are really good because you can target people who are actually looking for what you have to offer. And I will share with you a training that I own as well, but you really want to know what you're doing when you're doing TikTok and YouTube ads, or you're going to run through a lot of money and not make any money. But I have this training where it's taught by Ali, and he does all the YouTube and Facebook ads for Wesley Virgin, who is the owner of The Overnight Millionaire, and he makes a lot of money for Wesley and for himself, but he has this training that's specifically for affiliate marketers, because it can get really tricky when you do paid YouTube ads as far as getting your ads approved. So I will leave a link in the description below this video, but This is an incredible training that walks you through step by step. It's pretty easy to understand if you're interested in paid YouTube marketing. And then I told you I wanted to mention to you why I think a lot of people fail with affiliate marketing. The first thing is I think that people do not master a traffic source. So if you want to master, let's say, a free traffic source, it's going to take you longer. But I think most people will jump around from one traffic source to another looking for the secret. Really, all of them work if you stick with it long enough. That, and also I don't think people have the right mindset as far as it being a long-term strategy and just having the mindset of being an entrepreneur. And I have this blog post I wanted to share with you. I'll leave a link in the description below this video. But it talks about Paulo Barroso, how he makes multiple seven figures, but at the time he was failing miserably for years. And I talk about it in these 3 videos, exactly how to have the right mindset, how to set goals, and just have success with affiliate marketing, and also some other things that are very important as far as mindset, The Strangest Secret, You Were Born Rich. These are YouTube videos, but I put them all in one blog post that'll really help you to have the right mindset and be able to think correctly, set your goals correctly so that you have more success with affiliate marketing.
So I hope you guys go out there and make some really good money with these high-ticket affiliate products. Let's go ahead and continue the learning with this next video, how to make $8,000 per month passive income and predictably replace your income within 24 months. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.